Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss the topic for 8th standard, mensuration, the exercises 40F. See, I am going to find out the volume of a cylinder. What I am going to find out? Volume of cylinder. Here the radius given as well as the height is also given. So, I am going to substitute in the formula. See, what is the volume of a cylinder formula? Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units. If the area means the unit should be in the square. Same for the volume, the unit is in what? Cubic units. Got it? So, and what is the given the question? Pi is equal to 22/7. It is given in the question. Now, I am substituting here R as well as a H as well as pi value. Listen, what is the pi value here? 22/7 which is given, and r square is what? R is what? 3. So, 3 into 3, r square is what? R into r. So, 3 is 3 into 3, and what is the height? 7. What is the unit? Centimeter cube. Got it? I am substituting the r value and h as well as the unit. Listen, 7 getting cancelled. So, 22 into, just I am multiplying this, 22 into 9. 3 3s are what? 9. So, 22 into 9, just you do it in the rough column. 9 2s are 18, balance 1. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 is what? 19. So, the answer is 198 centimeter cube. 198 centimeter cube. Now, write the answer. Listen, volume of cylinder is equal to 198 centimeter cube. Just I am substituting in the formula. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen, same thing. See, for the previous sum they are given in the whole number, but here they are given in the decimal. So, r and height they are given, just substitute in the formula. Listen, volume of a cylinder is equal to, write the formula, pi r square h cubic unit. Okay. Pi, what I have to take? 22/7. And what is the r? 1.4 into 1. That is 1.4 the whole square into see, r value is what? 1.3 the square into height 1.4. Now listen, 22/7 into 1.3 into 1.3. I am just writing the r square into r which is 1.4. Listen, 7 ones are 7. Got it? And this is, how can I write this? 0.2. I can write as to be what? 0.2. Now you multiple all your numerator. Got it? I can cancel this 7 and 1.4 has to be what? 0.2, because 7 ones are 7. 7 2s are is what? 14. So, I have written here 0.2. Just do it at this in the rough column. 22 into 1.3. First I will multiply this 22 into 1.3. Listen, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. What is this? 22. So 6, 8, 2, 1 digit after you have to keep the decimal. Next again you multiply with 1.3. Listen, 6 3s are 18, balance 1, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 is what? 25. So 2 carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Now 286. So what you have to do? 8, 1, 1, 17, balance 1, 3. So here were 1 digit, here 1 digit. So 2 digit after you have to keep the decimal. So 37.18. After these 3 I multiple, I can get the answer to be what? 37.8 into 0.2. Listen, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 3, and 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Here 2 digit after, here 1 digit. So 3 digit after I am going to keep the decimal, which is what? 7.436. So 7.436, what is given the unit? Meter cube. Got it? Can you clear this? Just I am substituting the R and H value here. So and I am multiplying all those things. So I can get the answer to be 7.436 centimeter cube. Now I am going to write the answer. Volume of cylinder is equal to 7.436 meter cube. So finally you are going to write the answer to be what? Volume of cylinder 7.436 meter cube. Next, see the second sum. Same thing. Here they are figure given and they are written the radius and the height. But without figure, just they are mentioned here radius 7 centimeter and length is what? 12 centimeter. Now listen children, write the same thing what I am going to find out. The volume of the cylinder I am going to find out. So volume of a cylinder is equal to, just apply the formula here. What is the formula? Pi r square h cubic units. Is it clear? What is the pi? We have to take 22 by 7. Actually pi you are having 3 values. What are that? 3.14. When you divide the fraction you can get the answer in the decimal. So 3.14. And this 22 by 7 is an improper fraction. I can write that into the mixed fraction. So the answer is what? 1 by 7 also I can write. So pi having 3 values. What is given in the question I am going to substitute here. So 22 by 7 into radius, what they are given? 7 into 7. 7 square I can write as to be what? 7 into 7. And the length is what here? Height. So which is what? 12. Don't confuse in this. Length is what? Height. Okay. Now listen, I can cancel the 7 numerator and the 7 denominator I can cancel. So 22 into 7 into 12. First when I multiple this two, 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is what? 15. So 154 into 12. So this 2 when I am going to multiple. Shall I do this? 154. In the rough column shall we do this? 154 into 12. Listen, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over, 2 1s are 2, 3 and this 1 5 4. Now when I am adding this 8 4 8 1. So my answer is 1848. What is the unit they are given? Centimeter cube. Can you clear this, children? Now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer? Volume of a cylinder is equal to 1848 centimeter cube. Got it? Got it? So the radius, length is what here? Height. Just substitute in the formula and then simplify. Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen, same the radius as well as the length. Length is what here? Height. Length is height. So I am going to substitute this in the formula, which is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units. Got it? Volume of cylinder is equal to what, ma? Pi r square h cubic units. Substitute the radius here and first of all substitute the pi value, which is what? 22/7, which is given in the question, and radius 0.7 into 0.7 because r square. So I have to write the radius in twice. And what is the length, which is what? Height. 2. Can you clear this? Now listen, like this also I can do. 22/7, 0.7 I can write as to be what? 7/10. I am removing the decimal and I am writing in fraction. So 0.7, how can I write this? 7/10, as well as one more 7/10 into 2. Like this also we can cancel. The simplification is easy when you are doing like this means. Listen, 7 getting cancelled and 2 1s are, 2 5s are, and this one is what? 2 levels are 22 and 2 5s are is what? 10. So listen, what is there in the numerator? 11 into 7 by 5 5s are is what? 25. Can you clear this? So what is that? Level 7s are is what? 77/25. Just divide this in the rough column. See, 77 I am going to divide with the 25. Okay. Listen, 25 2s are 50. So 27. Keep a dot and you can add a 0. So 270. So 25 8s are 200. Sorry, you have to do this. 1 minute. 77, I am going to divide this by 25. 25 3s are 75. So the balance is what? 2. Next, keep the decimal and add the 0. Once if you keep the decimal and adding the 0 also, you are not able to divide this. So what you have to do? One more 0 you had and 0 8. Got it? So 25 8s are 200. So the answer is what? 3.08. What is the unit given here? Meter cube. Now listen, answer. Volume of a cylinder is equal to 3.08 meter cube. Can you clear this, children? Okay, just a decimal I have written in the fraction, and I can cancel the numerator and denominator. After cancelling, I am dividing. So here, listen here. So when I am subtract, I 2, and even though I keep the decimal and I put the 0 also, I am not able to divide. So here I am adding one more 0. Got it? Here I am adding one more 0, and then 25 8s are is what? 200. So finally the answer is what? 3.08 meter cube. Shall I move on to the next sum? See a word problem. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder. Milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 2 meter. They are given the radius which is 2 meter, and the length is what? Length is means what? Height. Length, height 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters. See the unit here they are given as a M. So when I am finding the volume of the cylinder, I can get the unit into be what? Meter cube. After that second step, what I have to do, I am going to change that meter cube into liter. Got it? Because in the question they are asking the quantity of a milk in liters that this tank can contain. I am going to, and I have to see that what is there, we have to substitute for the pi value. See, I am going to take the pi to be what? 22 by 7. We have to take like this. Pi is equal to what? 22 by 7. Can you clear this? The first step, I am going to find the volume of the cylinder. Once if I find the volume of a cylinder, I can get meter cube, and the second step I am going to change the meter cube into what? Liter. Listen. See, listen. Radius is what? 2 meter. Radius is 2 meter, and height is what? 7 meter. Height is what? Length. So, which is 7 meter, and pi I am going to take to be what? 22 by 7. See, these are the things given in the question. Got it? Now, I am going to substitute this in the formula. Volume of a cylinder. What is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h cubic units. Pi r square h cubic units. Pi 22 by 7. Radius 2 into 2. R square is what? 2 into 2. And height, which is what? 7. We can write the unit in the last. So listen, these 7 and 7 getting cancelled. So 22 into 2 into 2. So 22 into 2 2s are is what? 4. Now listen, totally I can get 88. So what is the unit? Meter. So volume means I can write the unit in cubic. Clear? So now listen. See, this is what? Volume of a cylinder is equal to 88 meter cube. But my step 1 is over. But I am going to write in a liter. How can I change the meter cube in liter? Listen, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is what? 1000 liter. So 88 meter cube is equal to 88 into 1000. So what is that? 188s are 88. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So just you add the 3 zeros. So what is that? Liter. 88,000 liter. Now finally I am going to write the answer. Quantity of, finally I am going to write the answer. Quantity of milk in liters is equal to 88,000 liter. Can you clear this? Can you clear this, children? First I am substituting the volume of a cylinder. This volume of a cylinder is what? Quantity of a milk. I can say it to be what? Quantity of a milk. And the second step, I am going to change this quantity of milk which is in the meter cube. I am changing that into what? Liters. Can you clear this? Shall I move on to the next sum? Find the height of the cylinder. I am going to find out the height. See, for the previous sum they are given the radius and the height. Height is what? Length. They are given and I am going to find out the volume. But in the sum, height of the cylinder I am going to find out, and the volume they are given as well as the radius also they are given. I am going to take the pi value to be what? 22/7. Is it clear? Just what is the given? You write the question. Height that I am going to find out. Volume. What is the volume? 7040 centimeter cube. And what is the radius they are given? 8 centimeter. Shall I substitute this in the here? Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units, as well as pi, what they are given? 22/7. Pi value is what? 22/7. So these three things I am going to substitute in the formula, and then finally I am going to find out the height here. 7040 is equal to pi what? 22/7. Radius what? 8 into 8. As well as what is the height? That I don't know. That only I am going to find out. Now simplify this. Listen. See, when it's division, when it moved to the next side, what it becomes? A multiplication. So 7040 into 7 divided by 22 into 8 into 8, which is what your height. This I am going to simplify. Can you clear this? 7, when it moves this side, it becomes what? Multiplication. And multiplication when it comes this side means what? To the left hand side it become what? Division. Now I can cancel this. Shall we cancel this by 2 table? Yes. Listen. 2 4s are 8. Got it? 2 4s are 8. Here 2, 3, 5. Again what is this? 20. Can you clear this? Next I can cancel this by 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 35 means what I can do? 1, 7, which is 2 17s are 34, and 1 more 6, 0. Again I can cancel in 2 table. 2 1s are, see this? 2 8s are 16. Balance 1, which is what? 2 8s are 16, and this 0. Got it? Now I can cancel in the level table. I can cancel in level table. Listen, level 2s are 22. 11 80s are 880. Got it? Now listen, 8 ones are 8 tens are 80. You have to carefully cancel this. Okay. So, once if you thorough the tables only you can do this step. So, 8 ones are 8 tens are. Now listen, in the denominator I am having 2. So, 2 ones are 2 fives are. Then what are the numbers are in the numerator? 5 into 7. So, listen, what is there in the numerator? 5 into 7 is equal to h. 5 sevens are 35. 30, h is equal to 35. So, listen, how can I write the answer? Height of the cylinder is equal to, height of the cylinder is equal to 35. Height means what? Centimeter. Volume means a centimeter cube. But I am going to write the height of the cylinder. So, finally I can get the height to be what? 35 centimeter. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? See, here they are given the volume as well as the radius, and I find out the height. Only the thing you have to be careful in this step, because you are going to cancel this, you are going to simplify this. So, you be thorough with the tables, then only you can do this step. Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen. The area of the base of a right circular cylinder is 872 centimeters square. Area, so for that the unit is square. And its volume is 4360 centimeter cube. I am going to find out the height of the cylinder. Here also what? Height I am going to find out. Listen, just you can write what is given in the question. Area of the base of a right circular cylinder. Formula is what? Area of a right circular cylinder is what, ma? What is there? They are given the 872 centimeters square. This is given in the question. And I am going to, and also the volume is what? 4360 centimeter cube. I am going to find out the height of the cylinder. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? Shall I do this sum? See, area of the base of a right circular cylinder is, what is the formula? Pi r square. See, the area of a right circular cylinder is pi r square. So, instead of this pi r square, I am going to substitute this 872. Can you clear this? See, volume of a cylinder is equal to, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units. Now listen, volume of the cylinder is what? 4, I can write here itself, because when I am cancelling I want a space. So for that I will write here itself. Volume of a cylinder is what? 4360. Instead of this pi square I am going to write 872 into height. Now I am going to simplify this. Can you clear this? 4360 divided by 872, which is what your height. Once if I divide this, I can get the height. So 2 table I can cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 1 8 0. Here also I can cancel by 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. So 6. Again I can cancel this in 2 table. 1 0. 2 9s are 18. So 0. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 8. Again I can cancel this in 2 table, which is what? 2 5s are 10. 2 45s are. Again I can cancel this in by the 2 table. 2 1s are 0 9. See, listen. 545 and here is what? 109. 109 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 and what is that? 5 1s are 5. Okay. 109 1s are 109 5s are. So the height is what? 5. H is equal to what, ma? 5. Now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer I am going to write? Height of the cylinder is equal to 5 centimeter. Can you clear this, children? See, when you are cancelling, throw the tables and then cancel, and when you are writing the answer, write in unit or else you will lose a half a mark. Shall I move on to the next sum? This is a next sum, sixth sum. Listen. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 176 centimeters. Circumference they are given. So I am going to substitute here the circumference of a cylinder formula. And what is they are given? 176. As well they are given the height is what? 30 centimeter. How much water in liter can it hold? Listen, children. Circumference of the cylinder they are given. As well height also given. With the circumference of the cylinder, I am going to find out the radius and then I can substitute 30 into volume. So, what are the things I am going to find out? Just you listen here. Just I will do it in the rough column. The first step I am going to find out the radius. As well as I am going to find out the volume. Last step, what is that? Meter cube I am going to convert into liter. So, these are the 3 steps I am going to do in this sum. Can you clear this? The circumference of the base, I am going to substitute the formula. In that I am going to find out the radius. Can you clear this? See, can you clear this? Listen. Given circumference of the base of a cylinder is equal to 176 centimeter. 176 centimeter. So, what is the circumference of the base, which is what? 2 pi r. So, 2 pi r is equal to what? 176 centimeter. As well as they are given the height, which is what? 30 centimeter. Now, listen, children. I am going to find out the radius here. So, circumference of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r, which is what? 176 centimeter. Substituting here 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r is equal to 176. R is equal to 176 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. How can I do this? Listen. So, radius I am going to find out. What are there in the multiplication? If I sending that into the RHS, I can get division when it moves to multiplication, and what is there in the multiplication? I can get division. Now I can cancel this. Listen. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. Balance 1. So 2 eights are. Now level table I can cancel this. Listen. Level 2s are 22. Level 8s are 88. Next 2 ones are 2 fours are. So R equal to 4 into 7. So radius is what? What is the radius? 4 into 7, which is a 28 centimeter. Radius is what? 28 centimeter. Now I can find the radius, and height is also given in the question. Now I am going to find out the volume of a cylinder. See, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. Pi 22 by 7. R is what? 28 into 28. Height is what? 30. Listen. 7 ones are, 7 fours are. Just you all multiply this. 22 into 4 into 28 into 30. Just do it in the rough column. 22 into 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Again multiple this with 28. 8 eights are 64. 4, 6. 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 6 is what? 70. Okay. 8 twos are 16. Balance 1. 8 twos are 16. 17. So 4, 6, 4, 2. So which is what? When I multiplying all those things, I can get 2464 into 30. Now listen this, when you multiple 4 3s are 12, balance 1, 6 3s are 18, balance 1, 19, 1 4 3s are 12, 13, balance 1, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So finally you can get the volume of cylinder is what? 73,920 centimeter cube. This is your volume of a cylinder. Next, I am moving to this. Listen. This is your volume of cylinder. 73,920. 73,900 and just we can check this. 73,920 centimeter cube. Listen, in the question they are asking in liters how much of water in liters that we can hold it, they are asking. So I am going to change the centimeter cube into what? Liter. Is it? So I am going to divide this by 1000 because 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 centimeter cube. So I am going to divide this. 73920 divided by 1000. 0 getting cancelled. So 7392 by 100. 2 digit after you have to keep the decimal. So 73.92 liter. I change the centimeter cube into what? Liter. Can you understand this? Now I am going to write the answer. How much water can it hold? So the answer is water can hold in liter is equal to 73.92 liter. Any doubt in this, children? Any doubt? Thank you, children.